Hello students, welcome to biology. This is Dr. Saurabh Rajaram Mhatre from Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. So, we have learned about digestive system of cockroach. So, in today's lecture, we are going to learn about circulatory system or blood vascular system of cockroach. So, cockroach has open type of circulatory system. Cockroach have open type of circulatory system that consists of colorless blood. That consists of colorless blood that is known as hemolymph and a dorsal blood vessels. Dorsal blood vessels having heart and dorsal aorta and hemocoel. Hemocoel means body cavity between the cockroach. So these are contents of circulatory system. Circulatory system of cockroach contains colorless blood, dorsal blood vessels and hemocoel. So first of all, colorless blood of cockroach means hemolymph. Hemolymph of cockroach is without any pigment. There is no pigment, hence it is known as colorless blood. It consists of plasma and 7 types of blood cells, that is known as hemocytes. Hem means blood and cytes means cells. The cells containing in the blood that are known as hemocytes. So blood contains 2 plasma and 7 types of hemocytes. Plasma consists of water with some dissolved organic and inorganic solutes. In plasma there are dissolved organic and inorganic solutes. It is rich in nutrients and nitrogenous waste like uric acid. It is rich with nutrients and nitrogenous waste like uric acid. So this is all about hemolymph. Then hemocoel. Hemocoel, coelom means body cavity. Body cavity of cockroach is divided into 3 sinus due to 2 diaphragm. There are 2 diaphragm. So that's why there are 3 sinus. Dorsal and ventral diaphragm. There are 2 diaphragm. Dorsal diaphragm and ventral diaphragm. So dorsal and ventral diaphragm are thin fibromuscular septa. Fibromuscular septa. It remains attached to the terga along lateral side at the intermittent points. Dorsal diaphragm has 12 pairs of fan-like alary muscles. Alary muscles, we can see these alary muscles in diagram. There are 12 pairs of fan-like alary muscles. 2 pairs of thoracic and 10 pairs of abdominal alary muscles. Alary muscles are triangular with pointed ends attached to the terga. We can clearly see these alary muscles in the diagram of circulatory system of cockroach. There are triangular in shape and pointed end is attached to the terga at lateral side and broad end lies between the heart and dorsal diaphragm. Lateral side it attached to the terga and broad end lies between the heart and dorsal diaphragm. So ventral diaphragm is flat and present just above the ventral nerve cord. Ventral diaphragm is flat and just above the ventral nerve cord. Laterally it is attached to the sterna at intermittent point. So this is dorsal diaphragm and ventral diaphragm. Then sinuses. Coelom of cockroach gets divided into 3 sinus as pericardial sinus, perivisceral sinus and perineural. Pericardial, perivisceral and perineural. So in this, first of all, pericardial. Pericardial is sinus is dorsal, very small, contains dorsal vessel. Pericardial sinus contains dorsal vessel. Perivisceral sinus is middle, largest and contains fat bodies and almost all the major visceral organs of alimentary canal. Visceral organs. This contains visceral organs. That's why it is largest. It contains alimentary canal. It contains reproductive system. So that's why this perivisceral sinus is largest, middle, because it contains all the organs of alimentary canal and reproductive system of cockroach. Then third one is perineural sinus. Perineural sinus is ventral, small, and contains ventral nerve cord. It contains ventral nerve cord. It is continuous into legs. Perineural sinus is ventral, small, contains ventral nerve cord, and it continues into the legs. All these sinuses communicate with each other. There is communication between these three sinuses with each other through their pores present between two successive points of attachment of diaphragm. So there are successive point of attachment between the diaphragm. So through these points, through the pores, these three sinuses gets communicated between each other. So first of all, dorsal blood vessel. So we have seen about hemocytes, then hemocoel, then dorsal blood vessel. Blood vessel. So this is present pericardial sinus. Dorsal blood vessel is present in pericardial sinus. Means just below the tergum. It is divided into posterior heart and anterior aorta. Divisible into posterior heart and anterior aorta. Heart is about 2.5 centimeter long. Narrow muscular tube that is open anteriorly and closed posteriorly. From front side it is open and from back side it is closed. Anteriorly it is open and posteriorly it is closed. Heart of cockroach, 2.5 centimeter long, narrow, muscular tube like. It start from 9th abdomen segment and extend anteriorly up to first thoracic segment. There are 3 segments. So from abdominal segment, 9th abdominal segment is extend anteriorly up to the first thoracic segment. It is divisible into 13 chambers. Heart of cockroach is having 13 chambers. 10 chambers are in abdominal region and 3 chambers are in thoracic region. It is 2.5 centimeter long narrow muscular tube. It is having 13 chamber. It starts from 9th abdominal segment and extend up to the first thoracic segment. It is divisible into 13 segment. 10 chambers are in abdominal region and 3 chambers are in thoracic region. Each chamber has pair of vertical slit like incurrent aperture. Opening called ostium. Plural is ostia. Singular is ostium. So ostia are present along lateral side in posterior region of first 12 chambers. Each ostium has lip-like valve. That allows flow of fluid. That allows flow of blood from the sinus to heart only. Each ostium has a lip-like wall that allows flow of blood from sinus to heart only. Then heart is continued by a short, thin-walled vessel called as dorsal aorta. It lies in the head region. Dorsal aorta lies in the head region and opens into hemocoel. Heart is continued by a short, thin-walled vessel that is known as dorsal aorta. Thin-walled vessel continued to the heart is known as dorsal aorta. It lies in the head region and opens into hemocoel. So after this, blood circulation in cockroaches. So Blood circulates between sinuses and heart due to the contraction and relaxation of heart and artery muscles. As in human beings, also in cockroaches, blood circulates between sinuses and heart due to the contraction and relaxation of heart and aliary muscles. Heart alternately contracts. Contraction means systole. C contraction, systole, and relaxation means diastole. Contraction means systole and relaxation means diastole. After diastole means after relaxation, there is a third phase in the heart cycle known as diastasis. Diastasis. Heart remains expanded state during diastasis. During diastole, aliary muscles contract. During diastole, aliary muscles contract, making the dorsal diaphragm flat. Dorsal diaphragm gets flat. When during diastole, means when heart is relaxes, diaphragm gets flat. As a result, blood passes from the perivisceral to pericardial sinus. Perivisceral to pericardial sinus through fenestrine, and finally to the heart through ostia. Ostia is opening, lip like opening. So this is in diastole condition. But during systole, contraction. Systole means contraction. Contraction start at the posterior end and a wall of contraction passes anteriorly. So due to this, blood is pushed towards the cephalic vessels, means dorsal aorta. Dorsal aorta. During systole, ostia remains closed with the help of wall. Ostia having wall that is closed during the systole. As a result of systole, blood is pushed into the head region from where it goes to the perivisceral and perineural sinus. Perivisceral and perineural sinus. First of all, blood goes from pericardial sinus. Then it pushes to the head region. It goes to the perivisceral sinus and then perineural sinus. So, aliary muscles are relaxed during systole. Aliary muscles gets relaxed during systole. Due to this, dorsal diaphragm becomes convex. At question arises, when the dorsal diaphragm becomes convex, then that condition is diastole. That condition is systole. In diastole diaphragm gets flat. In systole, diaphragm gets convex when aliary muscles are relaxed. So, reducing the volume of pericardial sinus, this makes the blood to the move from pericardial sinus to the perivisceral sinus. So now from pericardial sinus, blood moves to the perivisceral sinus and through the fenestrine. So in the systole, diaphragm becomes convex, reducing the volume of pericardial sinus. So if the volume of pericardial sinus reduces, it makes blood pressure and the blood moves from the pericardial sinus to the perivisceral sinus through fenestrine. So this is all about the circulation. There are two conditions, systole and diastole. Systole means contraction and diastole means relaxation. So through this circulatory system, blood of cockroaches gets circulated from three regions: pericardial sinuses, perivisceral sinuses and perineural sinuses. So this is all about the circulatory system or blood vascular system of cockroach. So in next lecture we are going to learn about respiratory system or trachea system of cockroaches. Thank you, students.